In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up ERPNext. Backing up your ERPNext system is one of the most important tasks you can do to protect your business data. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set up backups using FrappéCloud so that your information is safe and easier to restore if something goes wrong. First, open your web browser and go to the FrappéCloud dashboard. You'll need to be logged in with an account that has access to your ERPNext site. If you're already signed in, you should land on the main dashboard page. This is where you can see an overview of your projects and sites hosted on FrappéCloud. From here, look for the section or tab labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the sites connected to your account. Each of these sites represents an ERPNext instance or another Frappé app. Identify the specific ERPNext site that you want to back up. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple environments like production, staging, or test sites. Once you've found the right site, click on it to open its overview page. On this page, you'll see different options and tools related to that particular site, such as resources, logs, and maintenance actions. Here, look for the option labeled Backups. This is where FrappéCloud centralizes all backup settings and history for that site. Click on Backups to open the Backup Management screen. On the Backups page, you'll be able to see existing backups if there are any, along with their dates and types. To make sure your ERPNext data is regularly protected, we're going to set up scheduled backups. Find the button or link that says Schedule Backup and click on it. This will open a configuration section where you can define how often backups should run and what should be included. Here, carefully review the scheduling options available. Typically, you can choose how frequently backups are created, such as daily or weekly, and sometimes how many backups you want to keep before older ones are deleted. Set these according to your organization's needs and storage limits. When you're satisfied with the schedule and settings, confirm by clicking Schedule Backup again to save and activate the configuration. Once that's done, FrappéCloud will automatically handle backups for your ERPNext site,